Friends, I am Guruji from Trading Emotion channel. Welcome to you all for Monday, 31st July 2023. Morning time is 7:15. So we are doing some analysis on market based on market profile information, and will provide you some valid uh, levels. That means those levels have their own soul that will work very perfectly. So that levels are called it as you can say is a resistance or a demand or supply, uh, whatever you want to name it, you can name it. But before starting that, see, this is how the option buyers are getting into the trap. Okay, this is a Friday. This is a Thursday, last expiry day, red candle. Okay, this is 1 day time frame Nifty spot. We are discussing now Nifty spot. Okay, 90 percentage of the option buyer or option sellers, or maybe they will watch only spot momentum. Okay, whatever happening in the spot, they will based on that they will make a decision. But as a market profile or trader or a trading emotion channel, we purely believe on future. That means future have full volume. Okay, so future sub uh, who are all having a hedge, they will do in the options. So that's how the design was happen. So 90 percentage of people, they will only believe on the spot. And see, many people, many YouTubers like me in the market. Okay, many in English, Malayalam, Tamil, whatever, whichever language you want, there are n number of peoples are there in the YouTube. They are saying analysis, but we are not claiming that we are different. But you can tell me how we are different in the comment box. You can post your comment how different we are. See, after seeing this particular big red candle on last expiry, okay, after that, this is called PDL, previous day low. That means 19,603. Okay, 19,603 was the PDL on last Thursday. That means for expiry day. So we'll move to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, what happened? The trap was built here. So 90 percentage of the people trapped, especially option buyer, they are fully built up with the emotion. Okay, so they are trapped on Nifty last Friday. See, this is a PDL, previous day low. This is a 1 day chart. This is a good red candle. That means it shows negative. Okay, now most of the people say that market is negative. Now more fall will continue. More red candle will come. Okay, so this is how the most of the people, YouTubers also, they will provide the information. They will say big red candle, tomorrow will be another red candle, we can see market is going to crash. Many these wise, what to say, many the words they will play in the words. Okay, so do self analysis, think some strategies, do some strategies, then trade. See, the first red candle, first 15 minutes is a big red candle again, and that is broken the previous day low. Again, this is the emotion, where the emotion will come. First 15 minutes itself, the emotion will come. Many people will jump into the, why? Because previous day low was broken. Now another 100 or 200 points will fall. I will make use of this. Okay, then most of the traders jump here. Then market, what happened? Went up. Again, this candle broken previous day low. Again, what happened? More than half an hour, market spent above PDL. Again, this candle was broken, no follow through. A small down, again market went, again small down, again market went and closed previous inside day. Previous day, that means Thursday inside day only, market closed. So this is how the people will trap on the what to say, the spot analysis, or if you are believing any YouTubers, anyone, they will trap here. But how we are different? Okay, the last Friday itself we told that this is a square off. Okay, this is not a good business. This is square off. There is a anomaly 1, anomaly 2, anomaly 3. This is Nifty future market profile chart, 30 minutes you are watching now. See how beautiful we are not trapped on the last Friday. Our many traders, our many students are make use of the entry and exit with good points and good profit on the last Friday. See, we told that this particular level is very important. That means 19,720 to 730 is important. So if market opening below, then sell will come, again we can go down. So what happened? Market exactly opened above this particular line. Market came here and rejection and went up. So you can draw the same level in the trading view. Whatever time frame you are watching, you just watch how the behavior in that particular area. That means 19,720 to 730 level. So that red candle, the emotion will avoid. As a market profile trader, the emotion will avoid, and the more information this market profile will provide you. See, we know these three anomaly, that one, number one is power selling, other is emotion selling. And what day it was happen? You can please comment in our comment box what day it was happen, this particular profile, and what the information, what the message market is providing to us, what type of message market providing to us. Okay, so this is a unique analysis on our channel Trading Emotion. So do like button, click like button, and do comment in comment box. Share our market profile or this type of unique channels to your friend circle and relatives. Okay, let's check what is the today's scenario. Today is a Monday, 31st of July. So let's have some analysis based on, or some information we are getting from this market profile. So this is purely Nifty is a inside bar, or whatever you want to say you can say, but the inside closing trading was happen. Okay, so 19,600 you mark. This is a 19,600. Okay, you can plan this. This is 19,600 is a main area. Okay, you can say this is a POC or whatever you want to name it. You can name it. 19,600 is the single print of this particular day. So you can plan the based on the 19,600 this single print. Okay, below that we have in Nifty. Okay, yeah, we have still we are discussing many days this particular area market how to visit. So if market any acceptance below 19,600, then we can easily target this 19,540. Okay, this particular VPOC. This is how to market, how to clear this territory. So if 600 acceptance, then 540 is our next target. 540 is our next target, and 495 nearby here, this value area low. Okay, this value area low, you can plan this value area low also next target. These are the two demands on the downside. So if market sustaining above 19,600, if market sustaining above 19,600, then our first target is 700, 19,700. Okay, 700, and there is a supply zone, and from there is a next supplier zone of 19,805. This is a second supply zone. So you can plan accordingly, but the information is very clear. This is a what to say. Okay, 700, 700, 700. Yeah, this is the VPOC of 700. Okay, any acceptance from here 805. That means this day high we can plan. This value area high, this value area high, and this value area low is a very important for today's trading session. This is 600 level and 700 level, and these are the levels. If market opening inside, you can plan how to trade. The trade strategy you can plan your own, and you can make use of these levels. This is Nifty. So quickly we will have some review on Bank Nifty. Yeah. Super. Okay. So Bank Nifty also you can mark 45,500. 45,500 is a main zone. You can call it as POC. Okay, you can mark it as a POC 45,500, and below that, if market sustaining below that, that means below this particular level 45,500. So our downside supply zone is 45,350. Okay, 45,350 is a demand zone, not supply zone. That is a demand zone. 350 is already noted. This how to market clear this territory 350. Okay, this low is poor low. Okay, this low is poor low. So this poor low market how to visit again, how to clear here. Okay, so 350 is a demand zone. So below that 350, below that we have 45,000, yeah, 135 nearby here. Okay, 135 will be the in between this particular anomaly market how to visit here. Okay, 45,135 is a more probable entry. So if market opening flat or below 45,500, so we can target 350, and 45,135 is a target on the downside. Okay, downside. Then above, if market sustaining above, but above is there is a good single print, so that is very very important. Okay, here exactly nearby here, that means in between there is a good single print here. Okay, this single print is for short term good resistant. Okay, this single print work as a good resistant for the time being, but we have to check this high is poor high, this particular high is weaker hands high, but not that much weak, a little bit strong only this high. Okay, so that any acceptance above this single print, that means yes, above this particular value area high. Okay, above this acceptance only, this acceptance only will go for a C. Why? Because this is showing some strength here. If any acceptance here, then direct target is we can target this particular value area high. Okay, direct target is particular area value area high. So plan your trade setup accordingly. Thank you very much.